welcome you all in this educational video of NIOS. This is Subject Library and Information Science, code number 339. This video is for senior secondary level. We are doing lesson number 10. Name of the lesson is shown on the screen. It is Processing of Library Material, Classification and Cataloging. So in this lesson, we would be understanding the processes of library materials. These two processes we will be discussing. This video is part 6. In our previous videos, we had already understood DDC. Now in this video, we will be understanding the colon classification. In short, we call it as CC. It is a kind of classification. And let me now tell you who designed this type of classification. You can see the image on screen. He is the person who himself designed the colon classification in the year 1933. His name, as you can see on screen, is Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Point 2. CC is an analytico-synthetic scheme, and according to Ranganathan, CC is used to denote any scheme in which a compound subject is first analyzed into its facets in the idea plane and later it is synthesized in the verbal plane and in the notational plane respectively. Point 3. The schedule of CC consists of certain standard unit schedule. As in the DDC classification, you had seen some of the standard unit schedule. Similarly, in CC, it has some standard unit schedules. Point 4. By combining the number of different unit schedules, class number can be constructed for any subject. Point 5. The universe of knowledge is divided on the basis of subjects known as main classes. Point 6. The first edition of the scheme was brought out in the year 1933. Point 7. The CC means colon classification 6th edition is widely used and published in 1960 and then revised in the year 1963. The classification is done on 5 fundamental categories, which are stated as PMEST. So let me explain you this PMEST in detail. It is personality, matter, energy, space, and time. So this colon classification is the Indian system. So using this colon classification, the book names are classified according to all these rules. You can see the examples as the rules can be understood by looking at these examples. Now here you can see the main classes of CC, 6th revised edition. Here you can see some codes are written and also some subjects' name are written. So accordingly, these codes are used for the classification. So you all can look at all these examples closely. In our previous slides, we talked about the classification. Now we would be discussing the topic library catalog. What is the meaning of catalog? When you go to library and you take any book, you can see the catalog in the library book. Do you know the dimension of catalog card? You can see on screen the dimensions of the catalog card is 12.5 into 7.5 centimeter. And if we talk about this dimension in inches, then it is 3 by 5 inch size and 0.25 meter mm thickness. The catalog is a tool in the library. So let us understand it in little detail. We will discuss about the catalog in points. Point 1. Catalog card is an information retrieval tool. Point 2. Direct users to similar library materials. All the information which the user requires can be looked into the catalog. Point 3. Record the collection of the library. Point 4. List out the print and non-print resources available in the library. Point 5. Indicate the location of the resources. Point 6. Describe and index the holdings of any library collection. Point 7. Assist users in obtaining the skills of information retrieval. Let us understand the uses of library cataloging. Point 1. Retrieve information efficiently. Point 2. Increase understanding by students and staff of information retrieval systems. Point 3. Plan, order, and check resources efficiently. Point 4. Develop information retrieval skills. Let us understand these steps in cataloging work. It can be described in steps number wise. So the first step is preparation of the main entry. Point 2. Preparation of added entries. Point 3. Assignment of subject headings. Point 4. Preparation of reference entries, if any. Point 5. Writing the tracing on the main entry. Point 6. Preparing the shelf list card. Point 7. Checking of the catalog cards by senior personnel. Point 8. Alphabetization of catalogs cards. Point 9. Filling of catalog cards. Thank you.